Hello everyone, this is Jen from Mac. In this video, I will introduce Datong HW15710 transmission. Datong Gear Company Limited was founded in 1958, mainly engaged in commercial vehicle transmission, engine gear OEM production, and construction machinery gear OEM production. The history covers an area of more than 1,000 acres. Datong HW15710 transmission is suitable for light and medium-duty vehicles with a power range of 290 to 360 horsepower. The long-range single-edge operated type, the main transmission is manually operated, and the range is pneumatically operated. The main group adopts full helical gear design. The noise reaches the international or advanced level. The combination of forced lubrication and squash lubrication has good lubrication effect. Rear power takeoff, one-axis power takeoff, and hydraulic retarder can be installed. Datong HW15710 transmission is composed of a two-stage structure of the main box and the auxiliary box. The main box is 5 forward gears, and the auxiliary box has 2 high and low gears. The maximum input torque is 1500 Nm with 2600 rp and maximum input speed. The transmission ratio is between 1 to 14.8. The total length of Datong HW15710 transmission is 843 mm. The lubricating oil volume is 12 liters. All of Datong transmission offering both cast iron casing, aluminum case. The total weight of the cast iron case is 355 kg and the aluminum case is 263 kg. We also provide optional items including gear shift lever, PTO, full power PTO, and retarder. Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact Mac at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.mac.com.